Canva is like a magical toolbox full of creativity goodies that you can use to make all sorts of amazing stuff. From posters to logos to social media posts. But did you know you can also use it to make some money? Yeah, you heard it right. Today we are going to explore 15 fun and exciting ways you can turn your Canva skills into cold hard cash. And guess what? These are not just any ways, they are the ones that actually work. But before we jump into the juicy details, let me introduce myself. I am Hitesh Gupta, your guide on this colorful journey. I and my marketing agency have been using Canva for a while now, and let me tell you, it is being a blast. And now I am here to share my secrets with you. So, whether you are a total newbie or a Canva pro looking to level up your game, this video is for you. Get ready to unleash your creativity and start some creative things with Canva.
So guys, let's start this video with the very first method, and that is Pinterest list pins. Guys, Pinterest is one of the best way to gain traffic and convert that traffic into your customers or to earn some good amount of affiliate commissions. Now what you can do is you can go on Pinterest and you can create list pins over here and mention your site or mention the link where the affiliate links will be added, right? Now if you are confused, let me give you an example. So for example, if I search here horror books, right? So I've just searched horror books, and in the same way, if the user search horror books on Pinterest, they will see these many list pins over here. This is a list pin over here, and if I click here, this is how the list pin looks like, and here's the website which the creator of this list pin has mentioned, right? So if the user clicks here, they will land on a website or a blog where the details related to horror books have been mentioned. So here the blog title is 35 best horror books or audiobooks from all around the world, right? And if I scroll a little bit down here, I'll be able to see an Amazon affiliate link with every book mentioned over here, right? For example, if I click on buy it on Amazon, it will redirect me to the Amazon. If I purchase this book, the owner of this website will earn a commission. And this is how this Pinterest list pin method works, which helps you to make money. Now how you can create list pins on Canva? So you just need to go on Canva, you just need to search Pinterest pins, right, like this. When you search Pinterest pins, you will be able to see tons of options over here, right? So you can click on this Pinterest pin, just select here, and you will see thousands of templates over here which you can use. Otherwise you can start or you can create your own Pinterest pin from scratch, totally scratch. You just need to click here. Otherwise, let's say you want to take a template and you want to customize that template, so you can use that template as well. For example, if you select this, I just need to click here, I need to click on customize this template, and now I can edit this template. And once I edit the template, I can go on Pinterest, I can publish it, I can add the website, and done. So if you are doing this multiple times in a day, then definitely few of your pins will rank on Pinterest, and definitely you will get good amount of traffic which you can convert them as your customer, or maybe those users will help you to get some good amount of affiliate commission. Next up we have create a clothing store. Guys, you already know Canva has thousands, even millions of different designs which you can use to paste in your t-shirt designs or maybe hoodie, and you can sell those hoodie or t-shirts in 2x or 3x. You just need to go on Canva and search for different designs, and you can use these designs. As you can see, these designs can be pasted on your hoodie, pasted on your t-shirts, and you can sell these t-shirts with a hefty margin, right? Even you can customize these designs with tons of different elements, tons of font styles and other things which are available in Canva in general, right? Now once the design are ready, you can go on Printify which helps you to run or create a drop shipping business of clothing, right? So you can go for Printify, and there are multiple other sites like Printify in the market, so you can check out them as well. I'm just giving you an idea, right? So the supplier will be Printify, and you can sell these designs, you can sell these clothings on your Shopify store. You can create your own Shopify store, or maybe you can sell it on e-commerce sites like Etsy, or maybe on eBay. It is totally up to you, like which kind of approach you want to choose, right? Now you'll be able to find tons of these quiz pages on social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok, and they are getting millions of views by uploading just these quizzes and getting good amount of followers. And once they reach good amount of or certain level of followers, they are able to earn good amount of money by selling their, by doing some paid promotions or by promoting their product or services. In the same way you can do as well, right? So as you can see, this is a page, and if I open this is on IELTS, and they are also doing the same, and they have more than 1 million followers, and even they are just directly promoting their course on IELTS, right? So you can do these things as well. So it is totally up to you, like how you want to monetize your traffic. You just need to gain the traffic. Now the question is how you can create those quizzes on Canva or by using Canva. You just need to search here quiz videos or quiz stories, something like this, right? So for example, if I search here quiz, right, you'll be able to see multiple templates here on different kind of quizzes. So you can use these quizzes, basically you can use these templates to create your quiz, and you can create on social media page, and you can publish these quizzes on that. After quiz, we have next quote videos. There are multiple pages on social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok like these who post quotes on a daily basis, and as you can see, they are getting more than 700,000, 900,000, 600,000 views on each of their posts, right? In the same way you can do as well using Canva, and the best part is you can earn through ad revenue as well. Yes, you can create page on TikTok, and if the video is more than 1 minute duration, then you'll be able to earn an ad revenue from those TikTok videos, and definitely you will get the same result as Instagram on TikTok, which will help you to earn more than $100,000 in a month, because TikTok is almost paying 50 cents to $1 for per 1,000 views, and if you are getting 500,000 or maybe 1 million views, then definitely you are going to earn a lot of money using TikTok. And if you don't know how to create these quizzes on, not quizzes, the quote videos on Canva, you just need to go on Canva and you can search Instagram post or Instagram stories, and you will get the same aspect ratio as TikTok videos or maybe Instagram short. Both are same, right? So you can search like TikTok over here. It is totally up to you, right? As you can see, I have searched TikTok video templates, and these are the TikTok video templates which I can use to make quote videos, right? Next up we have pitch deck presentation. So Canva is not just a designing tool, you can do some professional works here as well, right? So you can create different kind of presentations using Canva, and basically this is a service based model where you get clients from different platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, and you create them a pitch deck presentation for them. So if you are confused, you can go on different kind of platforms, different freelance platforms. Even you can use LinkedIn to connect with few useful persons or people who can give you these kind of gigs for some good amount of money. So you can search here pitch deck, and you will see different kind of gigs over here, right? In the same way you can create your own gig, and you can create these pitch deck presentations using Canva. You just need to go on Canva and you can search here presentation, or here is the presentation template option, right? Presentation, as you can see, 16:9. Just click on this and you will see thousands of templates on the left hand side, and you can choose any of the template, or you can start with the scratch as well, right? And if you see the pricing or the charges like people are getting, as you can see, so this is not a very small number. As you can see, people are charging $45, then here people are charging $320, then here $250, $145, Then if I scroll a little bit more down here, this this freelancer is charging $50, $95. So it is totally up to you, like how you can create basically what is the quality of your pitch deck, and according to that you can sell on your own pricing. Next up we have create and sell candles. Now the way we were using Printify to sell t-shirts and sweatshirts, hoodies, you can use Printify to sell candles as well. What you can do is you can go on Canva and you can create different kind of designs, kind of funny designs using Canva, and you can use those designs on Printify and paste it on candles, and you can sell those candles with a hefty margin on e-commerce platforms like Etsy. These candles are very good gifting material. That's why people like to buy these candles. So as you can see, these are the samples, and you can paste your own design on this green part, and you can sell those candles something like this on Etsy, right? As you can see, this candle is selling for almost $32, more than $32 on Etsy, right? And this can be sourced on Printify for around $11, or maybe these are the different one. This one, the $11. Next we have this or that video. So guys, this is a very popular kind of social media content which you can create using Canva, and there's nothing, just a simple video where you show different kind of two items, and people have to choose this or that. So these are very popular on TikTok and Instagram and even on YouTube Shorts, as you can see, right? And these are very simple and easy to make, and you can use Canva to make or to create these kind of videos. As you can see, this video got more than 500,000 likes and even got more than 12 million views. As you can see here, the video was this, 12 million views, then 3.9 million, 1.3 million, 1.1 million, and in a same way there are many videos that are getting these kind of views. Very easy to create and can help you to earn good amount of money. If you are creating these videos on TikTok, as you can see, these are downloaded from TikTok itself. That's why it is showing TikTok logo here, right? So if you create these kind of videos on TikTok, definitely you will get good amount of money through ad revenue and different type of other money making ways. Lastly, we have create and sell ebooks. Yes guys, you can create different kind of ebooks using Canva. You just need to search here ebook, and Canva will help you to find the template, and you can create ebooks using Canva. As you can see, ebook multiple pages, then ebook template pages. Let's click on this one and we'll see some good templates over here, right? So for example, if I choose this one, I can create by clicking here, customize this template, and this will help me to create an ebook by just designing each page one by one. So this is the first page. I can obviously customize this. I can change another template as well, like for example, I like this one, and I can add pages one by one like this, right? Now after creating these ebooks, you can sell it on Amazon's Kindle website. You just need to sign in for Amazon KDP like this, Amazon KDP. Now what this platform does, basically you need to upload the PDF. For example, you have created a good ebook, right? This is the ebook. You just need to click on the share. You can download the ebook from here in PDF or whatever the format you want, and you can submit that PDF to your Amazon direct publishing platform. And if the sale comes on Amazon, Amazon will print that ebook or print that PDF, and they will ship that product to the customer on the behalf of you. So this is very simple and easy way to create a multi-million dollar, because people are making thousands or even millions of dollars using this process. You can go on Amazon.com and you will see, because when we add our product on Amazon direct publishing, you will be able to see the products on Amazon.com itself. And my suggestion would be to create coloring books like these, right? As you can see, because you don't need to do thorough research for creating coloring book like this. You can just add different kind of designings without color, so that the parent can purchase these kind of books for their kids, and kids will color these designs, right, like this. And as you can see, thousands of listings are here, and you can mention, I mean, you can add your own listing, and people are selling it for 11.99, 21.99, 9.99. So different pricings are there. You can create your own design and you can sell it on your own pricing. So that's it with the 8 different methods to use Canva to create designs and earn good amount of money. I hope you enjoyed the content. I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to apply these methods into your businesses so that you can earn good amount of money.